Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Usman and you are watching Astrological Guidance. In today's video, our topic is monthly prediction of April 2024 for all the Gemini Ascendant people. In today's video, we will talk about how will be the month of April for all the Gemini Ascendant people astrologically. First of all, we will talk about Sun. For all the Gemini Ascendant people, Sun controls your third house, and your third house Lord is moving in your 10th house in the sign of Pisces. Sun will stay in your 10th house till 14th of April. After 14th of April, Sun will move from your 10th house to 11th house in the sign of Aries. Third house deal with your cousins, neighbors, childhood friends, your handwriting, your hand skills is seen from third house. Your ability to do efforts is also seen from third house, but mainly your communication and communication skills are seen from third house. Third house Lord is moving in your 10th house, and Rahu is already moving in your 10th house, and you will also have solar eclipse on 8th of April in your 10th house, about which we will talk about later on this video. So right now your third house Lord is moving in your 10th house, so we can expect great result regarding your efforts related matter. You will put a lot of effort at your workplace, and you will also get the revenue of that effort due to presence of Venus in your 10th house in its exalted position, because right now Venus is moving in Pisces sign, and whenever planet is moving in Pisces sign, Venus considered as so we can expect great result regarding your efforts at your workplace. You will do a lot of hard work, and you will also get the revenue in the form of support, in the form of admiration at your workplace from your bosses and superiors till 14th of April. After 14th of April, when your third house Lord will be moving in your 11th house, and Jupiter is already moving in your 11th house, so we can expect great result regarding your communication, regarding your gains related matter, and you will also, there are chances you may also get some promotion increment at your workplace, especially after 14th of April, when Sun, your third house Lord, will be moving in your 11th house, because 11th house deal with your friend circle, your professional circle, your early, your your hopes and wishes and fulfillment. Hopes and wishes seen from 11th house. Your gains in the form of money, in the form of achievement, is also seen from 11th house. Your get-togethers, your friend circle, professional circle, and your elder brothers and sisters also seen from 11th house. So when your third house Lord will be moving to 11th house, we can expect great result regarding your get-together related matter. And as we discussed previously, you will also able to get some promotion increment at your workplace in the month of April. So we can expect these results from Sun for all the Gemini ascendant people in the month of April. Now let's talk about Mercury. For all the Gemini ascendant people, Mercury controls your first house and your fourth house, and Mercury is very important planet for you people. And right now your first house and fourth house Lord is moving in the right now moving in your 11th house in the sign of Aries, where Jupiter is already moving. Mercury is just moved from your 10th house to 11th house after 31st of March, and Mercury is about to turn into its retrograde motion in your 11th house on 2nd April, and will stay retrograde till 25th of April in your 10th house. Mercury is very important planet for you people, because Mercury is your ascendant lord, and right now your ascendant lord and fourth house Lord is moving in your 11th house, and most of the time in the month of April, Mercury will be in a retrograde motion in your 10th house in the sign of Pisces, where Venus is already present in its exalted position. So although Mercury although Mercury will be although Mercury will be in its retrograde motion in its also Mercury will be in its retrograde motion in its debilitation sign, because Pisces sign considered as debilitation sign in this, because Pisces sign considered as debilitation sign for Mercury, because Mercury feels very weak in Pisces sign, but Mercury have a support of Venus. because but Mercury have the support of Venus. Venus is present in exalted position. That's why we can expect great result regarding your personality, regarding your general health related matter. Also, we can expect great result regarding your comfort related matter, because from 10th house Mercury will also aspect your 4th house, its own house, where Ketu is already present after 30th October 2023, as we discussed previously in Rahu Ketu transit video. So Mercury will aspect from 10th house to its own house, your 6th house. And your first house lord is also moving in your 10th house, so we can expect great result regarding your work related matter, regarding your fame related matter, and your promotion related matter. If you are a politician, some celebrity, or some actor, if your work is somehow connected to fame, then we can also expect great results in the month of April. In the month of April, especially for all the Gemini Ascendant people, due to presence of Venus and Mercury and Sun in your 10th house in the sign of Pisces. So we can expect these results from Mercury for all the Gemini Ascendant people in the month of April. Now let's talk about Venus. For all the Gemini ascendant people, Venus controls your 12th house and your 5th house. And right now, your 12th house and 5th house Lord is moving in your 10th house in the sign of Pisces, where Venus is present in its exalted position where Venus is present in its exalted position, as we discussed previously in Mercury section. Fifth house will be your children, your love relationships, your early education is seen from fifth house, your mental abilities, your planning abilities seen from fifth house, your love relationship, your girlfriend, boyfriend, fiance, and your fun activities also seen from fifth house. 12th house will be your isolation, your foreign settlement is seen from 12th house, your long distance, your spirituality related matter, your ability to do donation is also seen from 12th house. Your long term investment, your losses, your expenses is also seen from 12th house. So right now your 12th house and 5th house lord is also moving in your 10th house in its exalted position, and Venus will stay in your 10th house till 25th of April. After 25th of April, Venus will move from your 10th house to your 11th house in the sign of Aries, where Jupiter is already moving. So fifth house lord is also moving in your 10th house. First of all, we can expect great result regarding your children's health and their growth in their life if you have children right now. Also, we can expect great result regarding your love relationship if you have any love relationship, because your fifth house lord is moving in its exalted position in your 10th house, and, and right now Venus is very and right now Venus is in a very strong position, so we can expect great result regarding your mental abilities and your planning abilities, your mental abilities and your planning abilities and your education related matter if you are in education life, due to presence of your fifth house lord in your 10th. 8th of April, before the 4 days and after the 4 days of 8th of April, you need to be you need to guide your younger brothers and sisters, your cousins, neighbors regarding their matter in their life. They may have faced some type of difficulties in their life around the eclipse time, but this will prove very beneficial for you people and your fame related matter and your general perspective of your life. These results from solar eclipse for all the Geminis and people in the month of April. We will have five major astrological events in the month of April. First of all, as we discussed previously, Sun is right now moving in your 10th house, and Sun will stay in your 10th house till 14th of April. After 14th of April, Sun will move from your 10th house to 11th house in the sign of Aries. Second major astrological event is that Mercury is just moved from your 10th house to 11th house, and Mercury is about to turn into its retrograde motion on 2nd of April. And Mercury will stay retrograde in your 10th house till 25th of April. Third major astrological event is that Venus is right now moving in your 10th house, and Venus will stay here in your 10th house till 25th of April. After 25th of April, Venus will move from your 10th house to 11th house in the sign of Aries. Fourth major astrological event is that Mars is right now moving in your ninth house, and Mars will stay in your ninth house till 23rd of April. After 23rd of April, Mars will move from your ninth house to your 10th house in the sign of Pisces. Last and fifth major astrological event is that you will have solar eclipse in your 10th house in the month of April on 8th of April. Video monthly prediction for the month of April 2024 for all the Gemini Ascendant and share. I hope you will like this video, and this video will prove very beneficial for you. And if you find this video helpful, then please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel. See you in next video. Till that, Allah Hafiz. Take